Okay, good morning. Welcome to
MathIdeas200. Number 200.
MathIdeas number 200. I can't believe it. We've done 200 of these.
Woo.
Whoa. Can you believe that?
No.
No. So I said for your special MathIdeas200, you can do anything you want to talk about, and you picked.
Multiplication.
Why'd you pick multiplication?
I just thought of it.
You just thought of it? Okay. Well, it'd be fun. Do you know what numbers multiply to make 200?
Want to make 200?
Yeah.
25 times 8.
Yeah, that's right. I was thinking 2 times 100, but 25 times 8 works too. Good job. Okay, so there's a fun multiplication thing called factorials, is what we're going to talk about. And they have a funny symbol. If I do 3 with an exclamation point, in math, that's called 3 factorial. Okay? So how would you, do you read this 3? Or do you read it as 3 factorial?
3 factorial.
Do you read this as 4? or 4 factorial?
4 factorial.
Okay. What's the wrong way to read this?
5.
Right. Okay. And what factorial means is you multiply the numbers down to 1. So you go 3 times 2 times 1. This would be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. This would be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. This is what factorials mean. 2 factorial would be 2 times 1. 1 factorial would just be 1. Okay? So what is 3 times 2 times 1? Let's see if we can figure this out. 3 factorial is?
3 times 2 is 6.
6. And 6 times 1 is?
6.
6. Good job. Now, 4 factorial. Notice 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Do we know what 3 times 2 times 1 is?
Yeah.
What is it?
6.
So that's 3 factorial. That's 3 factorial! Can you believe that? So what's 4 times 6? Ooh.
4 times 6. 24.
24. Should I put an exclamation point because I'm so excited, or would you think that would mean 24 factorial?
24 factorial.
Oh, okay. Well, I better not put an exclamation point then because I don't want to confuse people. 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Do we know what 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is?
It's 24.
24, because that's?
Because that was
4 factorial, right?
4 factorial.
4 factorial! Okay, so we got to figure out what 5 times 24 is.
100.
Not 100.
Oh, that's 5. That's 4 times 25.
Right, 4 times 25 is 100. 5 times 24 is different.
5 times 24.
Do you know what 5 times 25 is?
5 times 25 is 125.
Right, 5 times 25 is 125, so we just need take away 1 5 from 125, and what do you get?
Take away 5 and you get
125 minus 5
it's
is?
120.
120, good job. Okay, you see how big these get? They get big really fast. Let's just do one more. 6 factorial. And what is 6 factorial going to be?
It's 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1.
No, that's 5 factorial. What about 6 factorial?
6 times 5 times 4
6 times 5 times 4.
times 3 times 2 times 1. It's 120 times 6.
Right, it's 6 times 5 factorial! So what's 6 times 120?
Okay, 120, 220, so 240.
That's 120 times 2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then you group those together, you only get 480.
So you're doing 240. 240 plus 240 is 480. Okay? So this is 120 times 2, this is 120 times 4. So how much more do we have to get to do 120 times 6?
We have 4. Just needs to do 2 more.
2 more, so it's 240 plus 180. And what is that?
240 plus 480.
Yeah.
Okay. 600.
100.
600
And then 40 plus 80 is?
is 120.
120. So 600 plus 120 is?
720.
720. 6 factorial is 720.
Woo.
So these numbers get so big so fast. And these are called factorials. So remember what I said. 1 factorial is 1. 2 factorial is 2 times 1, which is 2. 3 factorial is 6. 4 factorial is 24. 5 factorial is 120. 6 factorial is 720. Yay! MathIdeas200. Whoa. I wonder what 2 exclamation points means. Super factorial?
4.
Ultra factorial? I don't know. But good job. Good job on doing 200 math videos. That's awesome.